What's good, YouTube? Tech Junkie here. Just did my 100-mile oil change, or had it done rather. They must have put the bolt on with the impact gun. Couldn't get it. Yeah, so far I can't complain about the bike. Although that's what some of this review is. So far I've developed some kind of leak from the reservoir, brake reservoir, somewhere up in here. I don't know, but I went ahead and had some type of thin cloth or whatever and kind of just put it on the inside of this rim, keep some of it from spilling out. Overall, still like the bike, but also had another problem. So the Cclip or the E-clip or whatever it was fell out while I was riding, and of course that was dangling, so I had to kind of rig it for the time being with a few zip ties. And it's not a permanent thing, but just to hold it in place. I've tested it out. It holds up pretty well. You know, still have to get it fixed. Priority. And I'll probably oil my chain sometime within the next 100 miles or so. Don't have any complaints. It's more like uncomfortable moments with the little leaking or whatever else. Still have plastic here. Oh well, screw it. I'll finish picking that off later. But I think I'm going to change the mirrors to something a little more useful. And I've got to figure out how to extend these a bit. I think they use the impact gun for this too. One screw is easy, the other one is like, hey, I'm gonna give you a challenge. And of course, don't do like me. Don't wear warm-ups with metal ends on the strings. They'll kind of give wear here. And this is from factory, so there's nothing I did. But when I get a camera mount or get a GoPro or something, I'll bring you guys along. But for now, that's about it. Update you guys again later. Tech Junkie out.